time to hit the track and put this build to the test.
Welcome to the Test Run series. In this episode, we'll be pushing our featured build to the limit, testing the speed, time, and stability. I'll do my best to capture all the action, so sit back, relax, and let's hit the track.
Here's the time summary from our test run in this video. The fastest total time goes to the power dash motor with 16:47. Got any setup tips to make it even faster? Share your thoughts in the comments. Big thanks to Source Coffee Shop, Backyard, Velocity Racing Lab, and Herring Langus for the awesome tracks and support. See you in the next test run. Don't forget to like and subscribe.